in it. Let's see if we can, whoa. Now, you have two different major ducts in the pancreas, don't we? You haven't learned this yet, but you have the duct of Wirsong and the duct of Santorini. You have the pancreatic duct and the accessory pancreatic duct. So one's the largest one, which would be the main pancreatic duct, and then there's the accessory. Off of the large pancreatic duct, which is one right there, you're going to have as soon as I can find it. Not a great view. By the way, what's that? Good. Let's go over here a little bit. What's that?
That's a gland.
Looks like a blood vessel.
It's an artery.
Ooh.
Simple screenus right through here, smooth muscle right through there. Okay. There we go. These larger structures here that you see like opening up, that's one of the main ducts. That's probably the pancreatic duct. And if you follow it, it has a tendency to break off into multiple structures. So in other words, they can put this actually literally anywhere. Let's say they put it like right here. Whenever you see one large white area, that's going to be the main duct. And anything coming off of that white area are going to be what? They're going to be islets of Langerhans. The pancreatic islets are the islets of Langerhans. So if they're pointing, if they just say identify slide, you're going to see all these little cells around in different types of sections like this with white ribbons in between them. This is a pancreatic tissue, and there's alpha, beta, F cells, and delta cells in each one of those. All right, just make sure that the beta is associated with insulin and the alpha is associated with glucagon. Those are usually the questions they like to ask. You cannot tell them here, okay, at least not of these. But when you see one large ribbon and then small ribbons coming off, and they say identify the small ribbons coming off or identify the structures off the large one, those are going to be the pancreatic islets, or the islets of Langerhans.
So we won't have to ID the alpha and beta cells in?
Not that you can see in here. Let me see. Let's go up a little bit more and see what we can pick up here. It usually doesn't ask those because they're really hard to ask.